Introducing the ArcaSmart Tablet holder from Benro. Get ready to expand your mounting capabilities with this ultra-compatible and versatile support system. Ideal for content creating, live streaming, virtual meetings, and much more. Featuring an extendable plate that when opened, it can hold tablets, and when closed, it can also hold smartphones. Its anti-skid rubber pads prevent your device from sliding off accidentally. Open the support plates to provide more stability when placed on a surface. When the support plate is opened, it exposes the 2-mount style quick release plate. This dual system mounting is designed for both Arca style and RC2 compatible tripod heads. There are 1/4 20 and 3/8 16th mounting holes on the quick release plate, and the 4 built-in 1/4 20 accessory mounts provide expansion to your setup. And for even more flexibility, this tablet holder folds up super compact for easy storage and transport. Multitask like a pro with Benro's ArcaSmart Tablet holder.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. For more of the latest and greatest on camera support gear, subscribe to our Benro YouTube channel.